Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I want to talk to you about manufacturers insurance. And primarily in New Jersey, we have been extremely competitive in the manufacturing industry regarding commercial insurance coverages. Now, as a manufacturer, you're going to want to be covered for products liability, which is included in your general liability insurance policy. So regardless of what you're manufacturing, if you're manufacturing food, if you're manufacturing drinks, if you're manufacturing something in between food and drinks, clothes, furniture, equipment, raw materials, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you're covered for products. And the reason is because if somebody was to get injured, hurt, sick, die, somehow property gets damaged by one of your products, you want to make sure that you have the sufficient coverages in order to protect your business. Your business is your number one priority. Usually manufacturing is a pretty expensive business to get into. You have to have machinery, you have to have product, usually you have to have a patent. So there's a lot of money going into your investment of the business. So you want to make sure if it's your number one priority, if your business is your number one priority, if it's your moneymaker, you want to make sure that it is covered correctly in the case of an insurance claim. You don't want one bad egg to ruin your whole business because you're not insured properly. So let's just use food for an example. If you produce a food product, and that food product happens to get hundreds, thousands of people sick, okay, not only are you going to need insurance to pay out those claims for those hundreds and thousands of people, but you're also going to need something called product recall, which is a coverage that will cover the expenses or reimburse you for the expenses that it cost in order to recall your product. So you have a food product out there and it's getting everyone sick. Well, now you're going to have to spend money to make sure that that product is taken off all of the shelves so that nobody else gets sick, because the more people that get sick, the more times you're going to get sued, the more money your insurance policy is going to pay out. So if you are manufacturing, you're going to want the standard 2 million, 1 million, which is a 2 million per policy, 1 million per occurrence insurance policy. And then I would recommend excess liability coverages over that. So it protects you in the case of a horrible situation where your product happened to go bad, or if your product happened to injure more than one person. Even if your product just injured one person, you just want to make sure you are covered correctly. So we are a full service independent insurance agency. So we take your information, we shop it around through hundreds and thousands of markets, and we find you the most competitive coverages for the most competitive price. We do our best to always be there for our customers. We offer 24/7 customer service, and we never try to upcharge anybody. I have my underwriters, my carriers, my brokers, I have them all underbid each other and fight for the best price possible. We try to get you the best price possible at all times. And we shop you around upon renewal every year to make sure that we're constantly giving you the best coverage for the best price. So we also write all lines of insurance. So if you have a building, if you have machinery, if you have inventory, if you have employees who need workers' comp insurance, there's many different lines of insurance that you will need in order to cover your business sufficiently and to make sure that you are protected in the case of a serious claim or even a minor claim. You don't want to have to pay things out of pocket. You don't want to have to close down your business because of one incident. So give us a call, give us a chance. We will not let you down. We will make sure that you are taken care of in every single way possible, and any insurance needs that you have, we will be able to handle it. So give us a chance. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.